Hello beautiful people, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna make dinner together. It actually was an interesting day because I had a plan for my day, but my body said no. I was so tired, so I had a 3-hour nap. I actually was even thinking about making like vegan mac and cheese with barbecue tofu. I was craving it, but then the long nap happened and we didn't even make it to the grocery store. But that's totally okay because we are going to scour the cupboards and see what we got. We have a decent amount of stuff in the house that we really don't need to do grocery shopping. It's just because I was craving something particular, but it's fine, it's fine. I actually already have a bit of an idea of what I want to make, but we're gonna freestyle it a little bit. It's something that I've never made before, but kind of similar to things I have made before. I'm very creative in the kitchen, so sometimes I just like to whip up some random things and put them together, and most of the time it turns out good. This guy is about to fall asleep on my back, so I might need to just bounce on the ball a little bit to get him to sleep first. He loves bouncing on the ball to fall asleep. And also we have my little guy over here, Elian. Elian, you want to say hi?
Hi.
I wanted to see if you want to help me cook, but he's watching a show. Do you want to help me cook or do you want to watch your show?
Watch your show.
Okay, that's fine. He can watch his show. He's getting a little bit of screen time. All right, so you know what? He seems to be a little bit okay. We're gonna see if we can get started. In my cupboard over here, I was looking and seeing we still have a full thing of mung beans. So there is this mung bean soup that I love to make that is Burmese. I actually learned it from a Burmese nanny that we had in the past. But I also was just like craving potatoes, so I was like, you know what? What if I do a mung bean potato soup? Sorry, my brother not my brother. I'm just used to saying your brother to my son. My son making all this noise in the background. He always makes a little bit of noise before he falls asleep. We got potatoes, so we're gonna do mung bean and potato together in the soup. Let's see what else. Take a look in the fridge. So I think we have carrot left. Oh, you know what? We have a little bit of carrot left. We have eggplant. I don't want to put eggplant in that. Yeah, our fridge isn't super full, but it's not empty. We got all kinds of tofu. Oh, we have this bread, which is from a few days ago, but it's been in the fridge, so it should be okay. I think I'm gonna do some really nice croutons with it to put on top of the soup at the end. And then we have aromatics over here. Keep them in this little drawer. Okay, we have, oh, that's all the garlic we got. All right, well, I guess it's not gonna have that much garlic in it. I could just run to the store across the street to get garlic. And, oh, it looks like we're low on shallots too. You know what? I don't even know if these shallots in here are gonna be good. Let's take a look. Oh, it smells kind of stinky. You know what? I'm gonna go across the street. There's a little store across the street, and I'm just gonna buy a bit more garlic and onion because that's kind of a base of this soup. It's not gonna be as good if I don't have the nice aromatics. Half a game? Yes. What was that? Okay, take off your shoes here. Xin chào. Cho em một củ hành. Củ hành.
Củ hành hả? Củ hành.
Ăn thôi. Ăn thôi.
Rồi vậy nè. Hái thử bao nhiêu tiền? Một lạng ấy là vậy.
Một. Oh, there we go. She's got a few onions. Maybe I should just get shallots. Maybe I'll get both actually. We'll do shallots and onions. Oh, don't touch, sir. We have candy at home, but I don't think those candies are vegan. If you want cookies, maybe we can get you cookies. You want Oreo sticks? Here, we can get Oreo sticks. You want Oreo sticks?
Yes.
Okay. The vanilla ones are the vegan ones. Those ones. Grab it. Yeah, take it.
I want to eat first.
Yeah, when we get home, you'll eat it. We gotta pay for it first. And hi, these ones.
Want to eat first.
Just wait, baby.
Want to eat first. Eat luôn hả?
Okay. Yeah, I think the chocolate ones aren't vegan, honey. Only the vanilla ones are. Trust me, they're yummy. We got them last time. I think I also want to get a lemon tea. We have a lemon tea.
Cười lên thấy mình cười liền. Cười liền thế, bye bye.
Maybe I'll try this actually. Winter melon tea.
Mami bồng em đi chơi đó hả? Cười.
And cookie. Bun kui.
À bánh. Em lại bánh nè hả?
Bao nhiêu? Come baby, come. We gotta see the price. Come here.
Toy.
You don't need a toy, honey.
No, I need the toy.
They don't have no toys here. Those are not toys.
I need toy.
Okay, let's come look. Let's see. There's nothing special here. We already have the bath things.
No,
Here, do you want one of these?
play.
Okay, which one do you want?
This
You want this one? Okay. Chị ơi. I don't know how to say what I want to say, so just wait for her to come over. Show em this one.
À, con này hả?
Vâng.
Một con này.
You want the blue man? What's the magic word? And wait, how do you say thank you in Vietnamese?
Thank you.
Vietnamese, cảm ơn. What do you say?
Bỏ bó báo vậy? Bỏ báo cho em đi. Để báo bỏ bó vậy?
Say cảm ơn.
Come on.
Rawr, you like that guy? He's got a scary mouth.
Alex, that's me. I got me.
Oh, he's got you. Oh no. Okay, let's go. It's so hot in here. Okay, 95. You have change. Alright guys, so just like any store trip, I feel like we ended up getting more than was on the list, but that's fine. We got a little bit of snack. One of those accidentally vegan things that are yummy. Not the healthiest, but an occasional treat. I was actually craving something sweet earlier anyway, so it's perfect. Dinner's gonna be really easy. Just gonna saute everything and add a bunch of water and then boil it till it's soft and then blend it up.
It is my lawn.
Mm-hmm.
It's lawn.
What?
It's look.
Yum. It's an Oreo wafer. Is it yummy? I'm a sucker for wafers. I love wafers. Mmm. So crispy and yummy. Mm-hmm. Let's try this winter melon tea that I got. I need to buy another tripod, guys. I had a really nice one and then it broke and I've not replaced it. But now that we're back full force into content creation, we're gonna need it. Yo, guys, can't believe I didn't try this till now. This is fire. This is so good. Yo. That is way better than the other bottle teas I've been having. This might be my new favorite. Wanna try this, Papa? It's winter melon tea. Try it. What do you think? Is it good?
Yes.
You want more?
Yes.
You want to put some in a cup for you? Okay. We'll put some in a little cup for him. He's got a special rubble cup. Here you go, sir. Just be careful with the cake. Oh, yeah, don't bonk your face on it. You use the handle and you drink it slowly.
Look, I'm finished.
You're finished. Nice. Let me throw the garbage away. Oh, there's still more in there, hon. There you go. Okay. Gotta start off. Let's get our pot. We have a tiny little kitchen here, but we have two things. We got a decent sized pot and we got a frying pan. But today we're using our pot. Oh. And we do not use dangerous non-stick or nothing. We have the one frying pan that is ceramic, and then we have this stainless steel. This thing's great. Okay, let's start off with our carrots. hold on, we're not gonna talk for a minute because this guy needs to sleep. I'm gonna wash and peel these. I'll get back to you when all the ingredients are ready, okay? All right guys, so we've made good progress. We got baby sleeping on my back. And I've chopped up all of the veggies, everything. We got the potato, shallot, onion, carrot, and garlic. Now we're gonna add in some olive oil. We're gonna add a healthy amount because we love our olive oil and we really want it to get a nice fry up in there. Get those flavors melding. If this turns out good, it might be a recipe under my tool belt. We love being creative in the kitchen. We love it, we love it. All right. Get that going. And then we put this away. Then we're going to rinse our mung beans. Hey dude, what's that? You eating more cookies? Cookie monster, are you the cookie monster? Yeah? Just like your new monster toy? You like it? Is it scary? Only been a few seconds and it's already smelling divine. All right, my mung beans, I washed them and now they're just soaking in a little bit of some fresh water. I'm going to season the veggies now. Yeah, don't touch that, sweetie. It's not cooked yet. Add in some salt. What else should I put in here? Let's add in some pepper. Pepper, pepper, pepper. We're gonna do some basil. Oh, we gotta buy more basil. And oregano. We got lots of oregano. We just bought that one. Oregano. Oregano. That's a little more. Okay. I think that's, you know what, let's do a little bit of turmeric too. We'll give it some color and flavor and anti-inflammatory goodness.
Color?
Yeah, color. Turmeric gives color. It gives a yellow color.
Oh.
Yummy. Yeah.
Yeah. Are we tired?
Are you tired?
Yes.
Yes. Ready for bed?
Yes.
Alright, I have a feeling this baby is awake on my back. I can hear noises. It was just stirring a bit, but we've turned down the volume. Not the volume. The heat temperature. The thing is, I always start it really high because this stove takes a minute to heat up, but then once it's hot, so then it's gotta be turned down. As you can see, then it's burned, so we're good. Now our spices are toasted up. We got the aromatics going. Now we're ready to add in our mung beans with water. We're gonna need more water than that too. Alright. Alright, that's a good amount of water. That's gonna be a lot of soup, but also as it boils, it'll probably disintegrate a bit. Give it a stirry stir. Just releasing whatever's on the bottom of that pot there. We are going to get our pot lid, which is hiding up here. Oh, there's noise waking up the baby. Oh, yeah. Okay. Sorry, sweetie. Let me just turn it up for a minute while it gets back to a boil. Oh, not back to a boil. To a boil. I'm gonna get back on this to try to get this guy back to sleep. Shh. I'll check in with you in a minute. Just getting rid of this mung bean film on the top. It's really boiling nicely now. We're gonna turn it down a bit. really let it simmer good for a decent amount of time till it's nice and soft. I'm gonna cut up the leftover baguette now to do the croutons. Here it is. Alright guys, my baguette is cut up and actually it's still soft, so that's how we know it was a good quality baguette. And I believe that we are ready to boil this because the potatoes are looking really soft. I don't even have to get a fork to know. I can just tell by looking at it. And even just looking at this mung bean, you can see it's already kind of falling apart. That's how we know it's nice and soft and good to go. So we're gonna cut off the heat and then we're gonna blend it up. It's off, but it's still like so hot. I'm gonna unplug it too, but I'm just gonna give it a minute to not be bubbling like crazy, because that could be dangerous, because I'm just going to be using an immersion blender and sticking it in there. Also, this guy is still sleeping on my back, so I'll have to be really careful. We are doing the croutons first. This guy. Okay, let's see. It's still really hot. Oh, wait a minute. Trying to blend this without waking up the baby that's literally on my back. This is so hard. Oh shit. I should have taken these croutons right out. But yeah. It was a fail. I literally had the croutons perfect and then I turned off the heat, but I forgot that the pan was still hot. So we got burnt ones now. But it's okay. They're not that bad. There's still many unburnt ones. Anyways, let's go back to the blending. Guys, this is looking and smelling amazing and it looks so nourishing. Like, look at that, look at that, look at that. I'm gonna add in some nutrition yeast for cheesiness and nutrition. And honestly, we might just finish this. Oh, maybe not. It's okay, that's enough, that's enough. Like that. Because there's a lot more liquid in there than I was expecting. I already know it's gonna need more salt, so we're gonna add a little more salt. Okay. Okay. Shh, 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 shh. Shh, 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 shh. Alright, Elian's bowl here. There's ice in it. We're gonna stir it to cool it down. How does it look, honey?
Mix it, Mommy.
No, Mommy doesn't want to mix mine. Mine has the croutons on the top. Yours is mixing because of the ice.
With some bread.
You want to try some bread? Okay. Here. Wait, make sure it's not hot. Okay. Ready? Try some. How was it? Is it good? This guy's getting tired. I'm gonna try mine for you, and then we gonna go. Let's try it. Hot. That is so good. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this, then hit the subscribe button for more content like it. My channel is all about living abroad as a digital nomad with 2 kids as a single mom, showcasing my life. We test out cafes, we do day in my life videos, we cook foods at home, we explore and travel a little bit. You good? What? Can you look at the camera, tell them to subscribe?
Subscribe.
And like the video.
Like a video.
And see you next time.
See you next time.